Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. I remain your lady, Estina. Guys, in today's episode, we are going to talk about words and opposites in Igbo. Words and opposites in Igbo. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of the time, let's dive into it right away. Stay tuned, guys. Watch till the end. You are going to learn a lot. It's a promise. The first I have here is elu. Elu. Elu simply means up. Ala, down. Elu. Baga elu. Batuo na ala. Batuo na ala. Elu, ala. Maọbụ maọbụ so they are the same. You can say maọbụ it depends. The one you choose, they are the same. Then the opposite is mba. 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 Bia eba. Mba. Then you know the person don't want to come. I told you to come here and he said no. Do you want to eat? Okay. Ihu. Ihu. Azu. Just from my description, you already know. Ihu. Azu. That simply means Ihu simply means front. Back simply means Azu simply means back. Okay. Then we have it in names also. They usually use this in name like Ihuama, Ihuama, Ihuama maọbụ Azuka. Azuka. Ihuama maọbụ Azuka. Okay. The next one is Oku. Oku. Oyi. Nri a dị ọkụ. Nri a dị ọkụ. That means this food is cold. It's hot. I mean to say, ọkụ is hot. Then oyi is cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. I'm feeling cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Okay? Anyanwụ. Anyanwụ. Ọnwa. Anyanwụ. Ọnwa. Anyanwụ simply means the sun. And ọnwa is the moon. Anwụ na-acha. Anwụ na-acha. That means the sun is shining. Ọnwa apụtala. Ọnwa apụtala. That the moon is out. The moon is out. Ụtụtụ. 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 Abalị. Ụtụtụ. Abalị. That means morning and night. Morning and night. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. That means good morning. Good morning. Mbido. 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 Njedebe. Mbido is the beginning. Then njedebe is the end. Mbido na njedebe. 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 I got 4 syllables here. That's just to help you to pronounce it very well. Njedebe. Okay? That's it. The beginning and the end. Okay. Ochie. Ochie ọhụrụ. Nna m ochie. Nna m ochie ka dị ndụ. That my grandfather is still alive. Then ọhụrụ. Ọhụrụ simply means new. I got a new cloth. That cloth you're wearing is so new. That means akwa ọhụrụ. Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. Okay. Nnukwu. 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 Obere. Nnukwu. Obere. That simply means big. Nnukwu simply means big. Obere simply means small. Small. Kaina Agandoma. Have you watched this extent, my lovely people? Have you considered giving a thumbs up to the video yet? Have you gotten any value? Then leave a comment in the comment section for me. That's just an amazing way to support your lady, to tell me that what I'm doing is adding value to you or out there to people. So just appreciate it by giving a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and then leaving a comment in the comment section. Okay, let's keep going. Nezi, nezi, ime. Ezi, n'ime. That means ezi simply means outside. N'ime is inside. Ezi, n'ime. Okay. Iwe. Iwe means angry. Angry. Angore. Angore. Angore simply means happy. Uwa. Uwa. That means earth. The earth. Eligwe. Eligwe. Uwa. Eligwe no uwa. That means the earth and the heaven. Ife. Ife. Ọchịchịrị. Ife. Ọchịchịrị. Ife simply means light. Ọchịchịrị simply means dark. Ife. Ọchịchịrị. Aka nri. Aka nri. Aka ekpe. Aka nri. Aka ekpe. That means your right hand and the left hand. Aka nri is the right hand. That's normally the one you use to eat. That's why this is how Igbo words explains itself. Aka nri, this is the hand. Aka is the hand. Nri is food. So the hand you use to eat the food is aka nri. So in our culture, we eat with our right hand. Then the left hand is aka ekpe. Aka ekpe. Okay? Bia. Bia. Pụọ. Bia. Bia. Bia ebe a. Si ebe a pụọ. Sisiri gị si ebe a pụọ. Get out of here. Guys, don't mind me. Bia simply means to come. And pụọ simply means to go. Go away. Oji. Oji. Ọcha. Oji. Ọcha. Akwa ahụ na-eji oji. Akwa ahụ na-eji oji. That means that cloth is black. Nwaanyị a chara ọcha nke ukwuu. That means the person is fair. The lady is fair. Nwaanyị. Nwaanyị. Nwaanyị simply means woman. Nwoke means men. Nwaanyị. Nwaanyị. Nwoke. Nwoke. Okay. Mbụ. Mbụ. Ikpeazụ. Mbụ. Ikpeazụ. Mbụ simply means first. Mbụ. First. Ikpeazụ. The end. Mbụ. Ikpeazụ. Isi. Isi. Ọdụ. Isi. Ọdụ. That is the beginning and the end. The beginning and the end. That means the isi ọdụ. Isi ọdụ. Mkpụmkpụ. Mkpụmkpụ. Ogologo. Ogologo. That simply means short. Then ogologo means tall. Mkpụmkpụ. 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 So guys, you can always pause the video, listen again and again, pronounce it and try to pronounce it more often so that you will get the pronunciation, and that's just the secret of you getting the pronunciation and mastering it. Okay. Mkpụmkpụ na ogologo. That means short and tall. Nwaanyị a toro ogologo. Nwaanyị a toro ogologo. Nye mụ oche mkpụmkpụ ahụ. Give me that short seat. Nye mụ oche mkpụmkpụ ahụ. Give me that short seat. Ndụ. 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 The opposite of ndụ is ọnwụ. Life and death. Life and death. Ndụ. Ọnwụ. Mechie. 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 Meghe. Mechie. Meghe. See this one, right? There's some like flavor here. Don't mind me, guys. Mechie simply means to close. Mechie ụzọ ahụ. Mechie ụzọ ahụ. Meghe ụzọ ahụ. Meghe ụzọ ahụ. Okay? So that's it. Ndị ọma, anyị ga-adọbili ya ebe a. Thank you guys for watching. Have you watched to this end, guys? Consider subscribing to the channel, give thumbs up to the video, and share to friends. Tell a friend that will tell a friend that something good is happening in this channel. I so much appreciate your support. To my returning subscribers, to my new subscribers, I appreciate you all. You guys know that I heart you all so much. Without you, without that amazing support, you will not be seeing me here all the time. But because you guys are there always to support me, that's why I keep on doing it, and it gives me strength to keep going. So thank you for being part of this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.